Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the US dollar yen, we did make a pretty decent move down. We are definitely either at an A, a B, and a C, or if this really is the end of a correction up here on the daily, then we're in a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, it definitely could go up a little bit, but it could make a lower high, and keep on going down. If it's a wave C, I still don't think it's over because we're not even at a Fibonacci extension level yet, so I would still expect more down. But if it does go down and take out all these lows, make that double bottom at a Fibonacci level turn up very dramatically, that's more the shape of an ABC than a 1, 2, 3. So either scenario, I would definitely still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Yes, it could go up. Yes, it could break structure, but it could just end up being like a pullback to this last wave down still. So definitely, whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3, I definitely still have a bearish bias. Definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.